So you're looking for a place to retire? You don't need to move to Florida. I'm here in South Carolina on Hilton Head Island, where the golf is wonderful, the beaches are beautiful, and Margaritaville has now moved here too with their own development. This development includes so many amenities that you could keep busy 24/7. We've got the fitness center, the bar and the chill, of course, working and playing center. We have a theater. You can do activities, you can do games, you can do walks. There's hundreds of acres here for you to enjoy. And what I have available is a wonderful new construction, semi-custom, 2,000 square foot, 2-bedroom, 2 full bath with a multitude of upgrades. You need to see this home. Give me a call. Don't miss all the upgrades on this semi-custom home featuring plantation shutters, coffered ceiling, this beautiful sliding glass wall system, the alcove wall in the dining area, and the wonderful extended lanai. That's where I'll be spending my days.